Alright, so once again, hello guys, and welcome back to another of our amazing courses about the deep web, the complete introduction. So in today's class, we are gonna talk about how to buy cryptocurrency. So right now, until now, you know what's a cryptocurrency, but you need to understand the concept behind buying cryptocurrency and how to use it. So in the normal world, we have money, which we can call fiat money. Um, when we wanna store this money, we're gonna store it in a bank, and we have a bank account. Then we are able to pay with our card. For the cryptocurrencies, it works pretty much the same way. So you buy your cryptocurrency, and you store it. You have to store it somewhere. So you can store it directly on your desktop, but that's not the purpose here. Our goal is to have access to it very easily. So we are gonna use a wallet that is directly online. So to store your cryptocurrency, you will use a wallet. It could be a wallet, as I said, it can be stored on your computer directly. It could be a cold storage wallet, which is stored, let's say, on a small server or a small hard drive, which is stored somewhere at your home. But once again, we are gonna talk only about wallets that are online. So the wallets that we are gonna talk about today will be Coinbase and blockchain.com. Those two wallets are, I think, very well useful and very easy to use. We are not gonna the pictures that you're gonna see there are not my account, so it's just as example accounts. So I'll show you a little bit what it is and how it works, and why they are very cool to use. So the first one that we are gonna see will be Coinbase. So when you get on the website, you will have to create yourself an account. So you will have to add your email address, and security level, it's secure because every time that you will connect, you'll receive an SMS and you will have to enter your code. So it's very secure. Same thing for blockchain. The way it works, you get connected. When you get connected, you'll have your watch list here. So you'll have all your coins and the price, how much they cost. You will be able to buy them. When you add a payment method, you will be able to buy them. So you can buy, with what is cool on Coinbase, that you can buy them, you can sell them, and it's like really real time. So let's say you buy one Bitcoin. If the price goes up, well, you can resell it. So you can make money trading. Let's say, for example, you don't go on the darknet. You can directly trade your cryptocurrency on Coinbase, which is really cool. Also, when you buy your cryptocurrency, it's gonna be stored directly here, so you will be able to see it on your portfolio. For the moment, as you can see, I have no cryptocurrencies, and the cryptocurrencies that you are going to buy the most will be the Bitcoin, which is the cryptocurrency that is the most used on the deep web. Ethereum also, and for the rest, well, you have Monero also, but once again, it really depends of the websites that you visit. Let's say a website the majority of the websites on the deep web will usually use the Bitcoin, but let's say a website asks you for a specific cryptocurrency. For example, they want to sell you products, but only in Dash. Well, you'll be able to come back here and buy your Dash cryptocurrency, which is once again really cool, because if, for example, you want to trade your cryptocurrency, you can trade it directly here. Also, if you invite a friend, well, you get a small commission. Besides of that, you have your all your prices here. So for all the cryptocurrencies, for the moment, they have only 19, as you can see. It varies. Sometimes they add some new cryptocurrencies. Sometimes, well, they delete some of them. Um, so yeah, it's really what's cool with the Coinbase, that, as I said, it's a platform that you can use as a wallet, but it's also a trading platform. So let's say you're someone who want to trade or who is trading, well, you can do it directly on Coinbase. Also, if I'm not mistaken, those are just the best cryptocurrencies. You have a lot more of other cryptocurrencies here. Once again, the cryptocurrencies that are the most used for, like, let's say, for buying products, will be those ones right here. Well, the Bitcoin and the Ethereum. As I said, maybe Monero on some websites, but once again, it really depends. All right, next platform will be blockchain.com. So it works absolutely the same way. You want to buy your well, the first thing you want to do is create your account. So you go on blockchain.com. Once your account is created, this platform is really for buying and selling cryptocurrency. So you will have this dashboard right here. So if you want to buy crypto, you will just click there. You click on buy crypto. They will ask you, at first you will not see this thing right there. You will have to choose your currency. So you simply choose your first currency with which you want to buy your crypto. So let's say I'm gonna use British pound. So let's say I want to buy 100 British pounds of cryptocurrency. Continue. And as you can see, they will connect me here and I will have to fill all my personal data. And then I can buy my cryptocurrency using credit card or PayPal account. Usually it's very, very simple to buy crypto. Once you have your cryptocurrency, the way it's gonna work, you will have a public key and a private key. And when you want to make your transaction, normally you will only put on your public key. You will never write down your private key. And it's very simple. Let's say you wanna, I don't know, you wanna exchange, or you wanna send it to someone. So right here you will write down the public key of the person, and you will simply send how much you wanna send of crypto to this person. You can send it in money. You can send in bitcoins. This works the same way when you buy products on the deep web. Let's say you choose a product to buy. You will only enter your public key normally. You don't enter your private key because this one you keep it for you. And yeah, so that's it. It's very, very simple. Also, you can borrow cryptocurrencies here, but once again, you need to be higher level. So as I said, you can buy your cryptocurrency there. So it's here. If you want to swap your cryptocurrency, which is, let's say, exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, it's going to be there. So you will need to have cryptocurrency at first. You need to buy some. And that's it. Well, you can trade also, but once again, our goal is really to buy crypto. It's not to trade or whatever. So to buy cryptocurrency, once again, two platforms, two very, very simple platforms to use. Coinbase, blockchain, they don't require, I don't know how much verifications. Very simple to use. You get in, you enter your name and everything, and you can buy your crypto. Once you have your crypto stored there, congratulations, you have a wallet with the cryptocurrency. And from this moment, you are able to buy things on the deep web. So that's it for this course, guys. Right now, you know exactly how to buy cryptocurrency and where this cryptocurrency will be stored. At this moment, we will see how can we buy products on the deep web.